good morning guys. Guess where are we? We are in Kanching Waterfall. Alright, it's just next to the Rawang bypass. And besides Kanching, you have also a lot of nice waterfall around here. One of it is Templar. Alright, Templar Falls, Commonwealth Falls, I think, and also Serenda Falls. Yeah. Alright, so we are here on Saturday morning, very early. Not much people yet. Alright, let's check out the waterfalls, guys. The best thing about Kanching Waterfall is that they have 7 levels. Alright, 7 tier, 7 levels. Wow, this has got to be the first level. Have a look at this, guys. Whew. Okay, that's not the first one that you saw. The name is called Lata Bun Bun. Alright, and this second one is called Lata Terentang. Alright. This is level 2, guys, level 2. Okay, after walking some flight of stairs, and we have reached the 3rd level of Kanching Waterfalls. If I'm not wrong, they named this level Lata Kapur. Yeah, have a look, man. Wow. It's very nice. Take some pictures here. Beautiful. As you can see, they have the second level one. There is a pool. Yeah, where you can just swim, you know, inside. Very nice. like our enjoyment, our exploration today is cut short because they have blocked the way, you know, and they didn't allow anyone to go up. Eggs. Done. Okay, done. So guys, looks like our base just got attacked by monkeys. Yeah, they took away all the Maggie and stuff. Okay guys, looks like our trip is cut short because we couldn't go up to the upper level, but it's fine. And now we are heading back. Okay, kind of disappointed that we cannot explore the upper levels, but what to do? The law is a law, so we have to follow the law. Alright, yep, but I think for now we can only explore up to level 3. Right, probably after MCO movement control order is finished, then upper levels will be open. Alright, well, let's not conclude. Alright, that Kanching Waterfalls, it's a very beautiful waterfall with 7 levels. Yep. Only downside is there's a lot of rubbish everywhere. Not as much as before, but there's still rubbish everywhere, caused by humans, sometimes even monkeys, you know. They ransack the whole dustbin. Yeah. Right, so if you are coming here, please help to take care of the place. Okay, control rubbish and all. Yep. Well, it's Kelly signing out. Really thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.